All right, another food review. We're at Darden Store, Smithfield, Virginia. Another Nightingale ice cream sandwich, if you will, out of Richmond, Virginia. Like I say, some of the, this one is the gingerbread caramel spiced gingerbread cookie with dulce de leche ice cream. It's a big one. They're pretty big, pretty thick. Miss Casey and I are going to try this. Let's see. It smells good. These things are huge. They are huge. All right. It's like a, wow, like a graham cracker. Crust on it. They're big. These things are amazing. I say we're at the Darden's Country Store, Smithfield, Virginia. They carry about eight or 10 different ones. Yep, 10 out of 10. Definitely got to try these. They are awesome. They are amazing for sure. I pay, I think, how much are they? $4.50, almost $5. I pay $10 for it for sure. All right, y'all.